Right now, I'm going to show you how to use this Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution carpet cleaner. It's very simple and it's great for home use. So first, let's go over the carpet cleaner here. You have your reservoir here that you simply can unscrew the cap here. You fill it up with your water and solution for cleaning. Then you have your dirty container here where all the dirty water comes in. You just push down on the red tab, pull it out. It has a flap that you can flip up. And that's where you dump out your dirty water. And then that just sets right back in and snaps into place. Now here you have the bristle and the head of the machine. This actually pops off. You just pull up on the red part. This comes off. Now what you can do is you can actually clean this because this is where the water gets sucked up. So once you do that, you'll get hair and other stuff in here. So that's how you can clean it out. Then it sets back in place, snaps back down. And then here, this red part on the top, it actually flips up. And this is where you can attach this hose right here to do accessories, to do stairs, to do anything else, upholstery as well, or if you're just looking to do a little spot. It works a lot like the little green machine. I'll link to that in the video as well. So you just simply plug this in. You do have to press down somewhat hard to get it into place. I rock it back and forth. It's got a red piece that clips on there. Now you are ready to use the attachment hose. It has a trigger here that sprays water out of a nozzle right underneath the scrubbing head. And this is a manual scrubbing head that you just scrub back and forth on your soiled carpet area. Then to release it, you just simply press the trigger there, pull it out, shut the lid, and you are ready to go. When using that attachment piece, the vacuum has to be upright in the locked position. So let's go ahead and fill it up and put it to use here. My reservoir is filled. It has a fill line indicating how high you need to fill it. You can use hot tap water. Do not use boiling water, but hot tap water from your faucet is fine. Then I used 1 ounce of the Bissell carpet cleaner. This is the Pet Spot and Stain. Now, you can use a little bit more, just depends on your situation and how soiled your carpets are. Use it per the directions. I used 1 ounce in this 1 gallon here. Now, I am actually going to show you here, you've got 2 modes on it. You've got deep clean and express clean. That's essentially how much water you're going to use. So for the deep cleaning, it is going to use more water. For the express clean, it will use less water. Therefore, it will dry faster. With the express clean, it says it can dry in about 1 hour. With the deep cleaning, it says up to 8 hours for drying time. So let's go ahead, use it on the carpet here. So the spots I'm going to focus on are right here and then across this area as well. Unfortunately, this is the only outlet that I have to use, so I'm going to have to use a pathway here that will be dry, and then if I want to, I can clean that around. So essentially, I am going to turn the cleaner on. Then it has a trigger on the back that releases the handle, and then there's the trigger that you pull that will squirt the water. So you want to go over it 2 or 3 times while holding down the trigger. That's called your wet run. And then you want to release the trigger, go over it another 2 or 3 times. That's what I call the dry run. And that's when you're going to suck up all the water and remove the stain in there. Also keep in mind, I have already vacuumed this area. This is a carpet cleaner, it's not a vacuum, so this isn't to be used to get up all the crumbs and dirt that's easily able to be picked up. This is for that deep cleaning for the soiled carpet, so you'll always get a better clean if you go over it and vacuum it first before you hit it with the carpet cleaner. You turn the vacuum on, the red button on the side. So that's essentially how you'll do the pass over the carpet using the upright carpet cleaner portion of it. You'll go over it multiple times with the wet holding the trigger down. Then you'll pass over it very slowly, sucking up all of the water, as much excess water as you can. But now let me show you how to use the scrubbing head. I don't know if you can see there on the camera, there's a dark spot right here that the bristles don't seem to be picking up that much. So let me see if I can do a better job here with the attachment. So again, you flip it open, and then you will push the attachment piece down into the slot until the trigger snaps in. Now, I'm going to turn it on so it'll get loud and you won't be able to hear me. But again, it's got its trigger here and it's got the spray nozzle that I will spray water on the spot first, getting it nice and moist and wet, and then I will scrub it with the bristle head. So again, you need to keep the vacuum locked in the upright position, and that will let you squirt water out of the nozzle, and then again, the red button on the side. So that's it. That is how to use this Bissell carpet cleaner. Again, this is the Proheat 2X Revolution. Now they do have an updated version of this carpet cleaner. The head attachment with the hose and nozzle actually has a powered piece that spins and does agitates the carpet a little bit more for your dirty spots. And then on the vacuum head piece down here, it actually sprays water out so you can target stains and direct where you actually want the water to go. Then they have the little green machine that I did a review and showed you how to use. Check that out if you just need a carpet cleaner for smaller spots, little pet stains, or anything else around the house. That one's great for littler spots, and then you can also use that on upholstery, car seats, and things like that. Check that one out next. And if you like DIY around the house stuff, please like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.